Welcome to Ranked. Today we learn how can we solve one page with monetization issues. See, this page was created a long time ago, but the problem is showing in it. First, go to Meta Business Suite from Chrome. Click on monetization. If this problem is showing even though there is no problem with your page, then it will be 100% resolved after watching this video. Click on branded content. If you are eligible to use it, then you can enable it. Actually, the solution is here. When you use the branded content check, you agree to follow Facebook's branded content policies and partner monetization policies. Now click on enable check. Please read it carefully. Click the confirm button. Now it is enabled and you are following Facebook's partner monetization policies. Click on the overview button and see the problem gone. Subscribe Ranked to learn more. Thanks for watching.